Here we are in the second video on how to properly split the cedar. So we have Beast Mode Keith here about to demonstrate the proper speed method.
I'll move my hand before the actual strike.
Oh, wait. See this?
The hand, I'm going to strike it right there, but I'm going to move the hand before the strike.
He's safety first. That's what it's all about.
Yes, I got to hold the log so it doesn't fly off in any direction.
And hopefully he's going to make the proper sound.
Yep. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 3.
Look at that. That's so sweet.
And I did hit my finger.
You did it.
I did hit my finger.
But really what we wanted to show you was if this works just right, we're going to lay this on top of the bridge. And what is so nice... Oh my God! Wait,
I did.
Show it to the camera.
I did hit my finger.
Safety first.
Safety
you really
first.
did hit your
yeah,
finger.
I smacked it good.
Oh my God!
I gotta go wash my hand.
That's not good.
No, that hurt. That stung a little.
Okay. So even if you're playing around, don't do that.
All fun and games, huh?
It's all fun and games until you lose an eye and a finger.